This is how I make a Big Nate Comics video and how you can make one too. Step 1 is to find a comic on Go Comics and then screenshot all of those comics and then bring them into any editing software. I use DaVinci Resolve, but you can use Premiere Pro or whatever. So you'll want to import your white background and then all the comics you're going to put in the video. You'll have to crop and scale each comic so it fits on the screen properly. And then after you add music, that's really it. You can export using these settings. Then you can create the thumbnail in any software. I use Procreate or Photoshop, but there are tons of free stuff out there you can use. And then just post it to YouTube. Thanks for watching. Alright, I sounded really dead there, but actually thanks for watching, guys. Peace.